Hey guys, I know that you may or may not have done how to do a derivative curve in Excel before, so I wanted to just kind of make a little demonstration, and I'm going to share my screen, and here it is. Okay, so this is actually some of my physics data that I had done an experiment on, so I just kind of copied it. And so we were recording a falling object. And so it was done in slow motion. So this is my time correction. And this is the distance. So this would be like on yours, this should be like your milliliters of volume added. And this would be your pH column. So first thing I'm going to do is make my original curve. And so to do that, now this time we want the scatter with smooth lines. And now when I did this, I had to actually, and I'll show you it when we get done, but I had to do a regression equation for that. But so to do the derivative, you can't do it because it involves subtraction. So you can't do it for your first one. You have to start with the second one. And we're just using the slope formula. So, so it's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, our y values minus distance, yours will be pH, like it says in the handout. So the cell number is going to be this one. So that's going to be cell number C4 minus the original one. That's going to be cell number C3 divided by, now you would use your volume. So I'm going to use this one. This would be B4 minus C4. Oh, I better put that in parentheses or it's not going to like it. And we need an equal sign. There we go. All right. And so for me, distance over time, this is velocity. For you, this would be your first derivative. So it's the same thing. So if you get your formula entered correctly, then that didn't work. There you go. You can pull it all down. And it's going to give you a value. This should be B4 minus C4. Oh, B4 minus B3. There we go. That's better. Okay. Look, I shouldn't get negative numbers. Slope should be increasing because I know calculus. Okay, so now we need a second graph with this can be a 0. You probably don't need to put it as 0. So let's just do this. Mills. And here. Okay, so here we're going to insert another chart. Just do a regular scatter. And then I made I had to do a regression with a trend line. But yours should show some big spikes because your curve's going to look different. And that's what you're looking for. So pay attention to the lab report. So that's how you do that. Now, of course, I'm using Microsoft Office on a Windows computer. So if you're using Mac, it might be different. So here's what I actually turned in for my physics paper. So there's where I got everything. There was my line of best fit. This one, it showed which values that I had. There they were. So I didn't use them for the last one either, I guess, because of the subtraction. But hopefully you find that a little bit helpful. You will need it. Again, this was my physics. So hopefully that will be helpful to you in future classes or in statistics as well.